Nice one, cool dudes. I am at Barnstaple Station. Where's Barnstaple? It's here in North Devon. What in the hell am I doing here? Well, I'm about to undertake the first part of the Tarka Trail, a 10.5 mile walk from Barnstaple to Bideford. The weather is forecast heavy rain, and then other forecasts are different. Fingers crossed I won't have to get my magical umbrella out. Alright, there's only one thing left to say. Good luck everyone, especially me. This way please. The Tarka Trail, cool dudes, is basically the old disused rail line which was brought up in 1987 and then opened as a trail in 1991, and they just added to it, so it's now a 180 mile trail. And here's a quiz question for you cool dudes. How much did they pay for the 10.5 mile stretch of disused rail line back in 1987? Was it A, £515,000, B, £755,000, or C, £1.5 million? Answers below. Have a think about it. It was A, £515,000. Well, or is a slut. I'm sure she's a perfectly nice girl once you get to know her. Ah, yes, walks. You are here. This is also the southwest coast path. As I mentioned previously, this walk gets its name from the novel Tarka the Otter, written in 1927. It follows the exploits of an otter who lived in this river here and further down nearer to Bideford. Sadly, I've not read Tarka the Otter or seen the film. If the book's worth reading or the film's worth watching, please write below what you thought of it. Nice one. Just over a mile in, and I've got a bad feeling that this walk is just a tarmac path for 10.5 miles. You could hire bikes to do the trail back at the station, and I'm worried it's more of a cycle path than a walk. I think this marshland's probably very good for bird watching. So far, I've seen an egret. You're an egret, mate. I think you mean idiot sunglasses, Marek. Yeah, you said it. Oh. This is a cycle path. I've come all the way to North Devon to walk along the cycle path. It should be called the Tarka cycle path. It shouldn't be called Tarka because otters don't ride bikes. Oh, and I've just remembered that otters don't go for walks either, so probably just, you know, scratch the whole otter thing. A double row of paired stones found in the 1930s. This is what it looks like, but now it's submerged in estuary silts. According to this, it's still unclear what a stone row's function is. Linear prehistoric monuments, which stretch from a few metres to several kilometres. It also mentions the one at Avebury, which I saw in this video up here. Why not check it out, cool dudes? About 4.5 miles in, cool dudes, and this might be the most boring walk of all time. I don't know if I'd still be watching the video. So it's time for the question of the day. Ray B writes, if you could make up your own nickname, what would it be? Oh, that's easy. You also be Slaphead, and also I've heard people call you the Egg and the Thumb. Yes, some people have said I look like an egg and a thumb, sunglasses, Marek, but I doubt I'd choose it for myself. I think my nickname would probably be Absolute Cool Dude number 1, best one, excellent, cool dude. That's pretty good, right? 4.68 miles in, I'm about to leave the path. to go on a bit around the marshes. I'm hoping for a bench somewhere. Yes, please. Here are the halfway point snacks. Water. Don't forget vinyl stickers available on the website. Snickers bar, strawberry laces, and Wild West honey barbecue steak strips. Nice one. I think that is the flag of Devon, if I'm not mistaken. My route says to go back on there, on the cycle path, but I'm going to carry on going along here because some bloke shouting down there. My cover blew off my bag and some very nice walkers shouted at me behind and returned it to me. A crucial piece of equipment, but I wish it had a securing clasp on it to attach it to your bag. So Osprey, bear that in mind please. This is a place called Instow, cool dudes. Very nice. I'm staying at a place called Appledore over there somewhere, and the ferry leaves from here, but at 12:35, so it's already gone. .5 miles left to go, so I've done about 8 miles, but there definitely is a tarmac tax to this walk, by which I mean the extra pain on your feet from walking on a hard surface for so long. I love all these abandoned ships in the river, it looks so cool. When I see boats like that, I love to know their stories and what they were used for, and it'd be great if there was a website where you could put a boat's name in and find out where it had been throughout the course of its existence. I know it would be a pain in the backside though, because loads of boats are called the same thing, so immediately it's a bad idea. The bad news is that I've lost my hat. The cap I was wearing, I think I put it down when I sat down and it's gone. I only had one use of that hat. Francis in Tesco's on the Isle of Wight, you saw me buy that hat. One use. What a disaster. That is the one thing I'm constantly losing, cool dudes, caps. Every year, about 2 or 3 caps, and maybe a couple of beanies as well. It's ridiculous. And that was a fresh cap. So annoying. I'm heading across that bridge into Bideford, where I'll meet my parents, who are staying on holiday in Appledore. I'm going to do some walks there. Nice one, cool dudes. It is now almost the end of the walk, and it's time to say that if you enjoyed that, perhaps you would like to help me make more walks, or help me buy a replacement hat. And the best way to do that is to join the Cool Dudes Walking Club. How do you do that? Well, you go to the channel page, click on the join link, select from this tier how much you'd like to give me a month, and return you get to use these incredible emojis. You get to watch these members only videos, and you get entered into the prize draw. Who could ask for more? Absolutely no one. So join immediately. Nice one called Dudes. That is the walk complete. It was 10.19 miles and took 4 hours, 20 minutes. As you would have seen, the first half was rubbish, second half was good. Anyway, oh, look who it is. My friend, Tarka the Otter, waiting to say hello to me. Oh, and it's brought me a fish. Oh, that's very kind of you, Tarka. All right, only one more thing left to say. Stay cool. Very nice. Oh, what's this? You love old boats? Well, you might want to bid for this original watercolour and pencil framed artwork on eBay. Starting price £9. Bid all your money. Thank you very much. Well, cool dudes, before the prize draw, I'd just like to take this opportunity to remind you that you can always support me by getting some incredible merch on the Coolies Walking Club website. Like one of these beautiful keyrings to join in the gallery at the end, or this hilarious hand-drawn map, perhaps a vinyl sticker for your computer or water bottle, t-shirts, zines, paper stickers, and so much more. Get it now? Alright, enough of that advert. Thank you very much for those people who are members on YouTube. Currently there are 593 splendid people who help me make these videos and survive everyday life. The prize this week is the hot off the press latest Occultery of Albion zine. Ooh, these beautiful cards from Stripey Art, a bookmark from Marmu, the Spotter's Handbook, the Trip to Guernsey zine, a Marek keyring, badges, vinyl sticker, paper sticker, and a Ghost Hunter badge. I want that in my hands. Random number generator. Generate me a number. Generate 258. What I do is I put all the current YouTube members in order of how long they've been a member, and the 258th longest serving member at 17 months is Just a Rider. Congratulations. If you are Just a Rider, please email me at callerswalkingclub@gmail.com with your address so I can send you this stuff. That's it. Thanks for your support. The Keyring Gallery coming up next. Oh yes. Well, let's all say it together. Stay cool.